pulled up to the gas station. I pull up to the pump. It's a fool sitting in front of me. Inside his car, he has refused to pull up to give enough space for anybody pulling in behind him to also use the pump. So I pull up behind him thinking he's gonna be courteous and pull up. He doesn't. So I'm like, well, fuck it. I'm not really a confrontational person. I'm just gonna jump from behind him. I'm gonna bag up real quick, swing around, and then bag up to the other side of the pump, which was empty. I shoot a little move real quick, whoop whoop, back up to the other pump. I pop the latch or whatever to get to my gas tank. Then I get the transaction process started. Now I'm using a debit card so I can save myself having to go in, and I stick the card in. It registers the card. I'm like, tight, boom, boom. It's asking me for my zip code and all that, so I'm trying to type it in. Nothing's working. So at this point, I just want to cancel this transaction and leave the gas station. But it fails to register the button presses that I'm doing. Since it can't register the numbers, it also can't register the buttons like cancel. So I'm standing there outside the car for like 5 minutes trying to wait for this thing to manually cancel so that I can drive away. It finally goes back to the default screen, so I'm like, smooth. I jump back in the car, I start the car and pull off. And that's where I made my mistake. When I hop out to pump my gas, I have to pop the little latch, and then I twist the cap off, and then I sit it on the back of my car. And then when I'm done pumping the gas, I put the cap back on, slap the little door closed, hop back in the car, and drive off. Guess what? I drove off without doing the last part of that procedure. My cap flew off somewhere in between the gas station and my parents' house. I went back up to the gas station. I looked around, couldn't find the cap. Looked on the street a little bit, couldn't find it there either. I had to take a trip to a little auto supply store and spend $10 on a gas cap. So not only do I not yet have gas in my tank, but I've also spent an additional $10 for a gas cap that I originally did not need whatsoever. But at least now I know how easy it is to get a gas cap. Oh, happy day.